Hey girl, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the thumbnail, today's going to be a good old-fashioned what's in my bag video. So super like old school YouTube. And this bag is new to me. So she is pre-loved and I just picked her up. So this is a Louis Vuitton Petite Noe. This is the vintage version and I got this from a reseller on Instagram. I will go ahead and put her information on the screen. But yes, as you can see, she's in really good condition. And even like the bottom is in super good condition. So yes, I'm so happy that she's in my collection. And today I'm going to talk about what I keep inside of her, especially now, like just during this time. So yeah, hopefully this can give you some ideas of what you can carry, or if you're just nosy like me and you just want to see what's in the bag, then definitely keep watching. Alright, so really quickly before we get into what's in my bag, I wanted to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is the Coldest water bottle. I will have more information on them in future videos and more information on them in the description box below. But yes, I've been using this water bottle for about a month now and I really wanted to test it out before like bringing it on my channel, and I do love it. So yes, check out the description box for my code and for more information. But like I say, stay tuned. I will be giving y'all more info on that. Alright, so I'm just opening her up and I'll show y'all like what it looks like from this angle. As y'all can see, I have the cutest pink bag organizer that I'm going to talk about in a little bit. But the first thing that I want to pull out is my Louis Vuitton medium agenda. I used to use her all the time, especially like pre-corona, but admittedly lately I just haven't really been finding use for her. The main reason why I'm actually using this agenda is, if y'all can see, I have a little bit of a crease in the bag and I think it's just like that from storage. So I've been putting the agenda in here so that when I close it, you don't really see that crease. So it's really just in there for aesthetic reasons. But yeah, maybe I'll be inspired and I'll think of another use for this. I don't know if you guys have any ideas on what to use this for. I just don't need it as an actual agenda. I would be using it more so for like maybe a notebook or maybe like a gratitude journal. I don't know. Yeah, let me know if you guys can think of another use for this. So now I'm going to basically take everything else out in this bag organizer. So this bag organizer is from Zoomoni, and they did gift this to me, so everything, as you can see, is in here. It's not overstuffed, but I mean, it's got like all of your essentials. So ever since I've been purchasing luxury bags, I have invested in bag organizers because this is basically going to protect your investment. That way, if anything spills in here, it doesn't actually spill in your bag. And I usually get all of my bag organizers off of Amazon, but these are so much nicer. So I'm excited to actually have like a really nice one. And then I actually got one for my Speedy too that I haven't opened yet. Here you can kind of tell the difference. That this is like a bright pink and then this is more of like a rose mauve-y type pink. But yeah, it comes packaged very nicely. These are all handmade with premium felt. Yeah, I also like bag organizers because they help like shape your bags, and I'm a huge proponent of like my bag having a certain shape to it. So yeah, let's get into what's in here. So bag organizers come in different colors and styles. So I specifically chose this style that has two like little sections for like water bottles or other just like big items that you want to keep separate. So this Coldest water bottle I either keep here in the house or I keep it in the car, but if I'm actually like going into like the mall or just going in somewhere where I don't want to carry the bigger water bottle, I'll just carry this. And then in my other water bottle compartment, I actually keep glasses. So since this is premium felt, I know that it won't like scratch up my sunglasses, so I really like that. And then y'all, right now lately I've just been obsessed with like really big sunglasses. So these are the, I believe like the Balenciaga dupes, and I actually got them from Amazon. And yeah, y'all, are you gagging? I know some people are gagging like in a good way. Oh my god, those are so cute. And then some people are gagging like, girl, take those off. But I think these are fabulous, and the fact that I got them from Amazon for like $13 is even more fabulous. But yeah, so I keep those in this compartment here. And then whenever I am out and about and I'm wearing my contacts, I also like to bring my regular glasses, just because if something were to happen, like if my eyes were to get like extremely dry or if my contact were to rip, I always want to have just my regular glasses with me, so I keep both of those in that compartment. So next we're going to go into these little side slots over here. So I keep a card holder. So this is a card holder that I got from Kate Spade, and yeah, I literally just keep all of my cards. I'm not carrying a wallet right now. The wallet just seems a little bit overkill for my current lifestyle. So yeah, I just like to be in and out super quick and just have a card holder. And then in this other compartment, y'all, this is so cute. Zoomoni has like a little mini case, and I don't know what this is like meant for, but I am keeping my contact case in here. Yeah, it's the same felt that everything else is made out of, but it fits in the slots like super snug, so I feel like whatever you have in there isn't gonna come out. And then I also have these oil blotting pads from, they're just Equate oil absorbing sheets. Y'all, I have used this since I was in high school, and basically they're these little sheets that you take and you literally just like go like this. And if you have oil, it will just pick up the oil. It won't mess up your makeup. And they're like perfect. Like I said, I've been using this for years. And they're cheap. Yeah, look at how gross that is. But it just got all of my little like excess oil on my face. And then this one does have like a bigger slot, and usually I will keep my phone in here. All right, so next let's talk about the opposite side. So I do keep the pen, and y'all, it's just one of those like regular click ballpoint pens. There's no cap, so I know some of y'all like Luxe babes are like dying. Like, I know you do not have that uncovered in your purse, but I do. And then also in that same compartment, I have my lip stuff. So first I just have some Vaseline lip chap, nothing special there, but y'all will never catch me with some dry lips. And then the NYX butter gloss. So I don't typically wear this like on its own, but if I'm out and about, I really don't got time to be like putting my lip combinations together. So I like to just use something that I know will pink gloss and look good on my lips. Oops. Alright, so in the next little slot we have my contact solution. Or not contact solution, these are eye drops, but specifically for contact lens wearers. And y'all have to get the ones for contact lenses. If you get the regular eye drops and you're wearing contacts, it's a mess. So yeah, this kind of helps keep my eyes unirritated or dry if I'm out and about. And then I keep a scent. So I used to have Scent Bird, and this is just like a leftover scent. This is the Nest fragrance. It's the Dahlia and Vines. It's like, it smells good. As Kyra Amanique would say, you ain't gonna ever catch me stinking. So that's everything that's in like a little side pouches. So now everything that's left is going to be in just my main pouch. So I have this little Louis Vuitton pouch. It's actually an insert from one of my wallets, and it's so cute. But I just keep like cash and change in here. I try not to stretch it out too much, but yeah, it's a cute little pouch. Yeah. I just like to look at it because it's so cute. When I go in my bag, I'd be like, oh, change shortage. Okay, you need some exact change. Okay, let me see what do you need? 13 cents. I got you. You're welcome. So yes, love this. And then I also have some lotion. So again, you ain't gonna catch me stinking, you ain't gonna catch me with no dry lips, and you ain't gonna catch me ashy. I should be saying aren't. And then I also, y'all, keep just a full-blown deodorant in my bag because, as you guessed it, you ain't gonna catch me sweating. You just gotta be on point. And actually, in my car, I keep deodorant wipes. Now, the way my anxiety is set up, and I have hyperhidrosis, so like it's just the sweat just be triggering. So I just don't be playing. I don't be playing. And then last but not least, I have my 4-ring key holder. So this is actually from the same Instagram seller that I got my bag from. I have done a full-blown review on this key holder. So yeah, that's everything that's in my bag and in my Zoomoni organizer. So I will have a code for you all in the description box on the organizer as well. But yes, as always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment, and if you stayed this long, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As always, remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye guys.